It's the most wonderful time of the year. I can't take myself seriously. Oh, hello. Welcome back to my Chanel. Can we just take a second to appreciate that my wig matches the top of Jeffree's lipsticks perfectly? Thank you. It is the glorious time of year when mystery boxes have arrived. So when I first got this, I was disappointed because I thought, pink, really? For the Halloween boxes? Then I remembered, Velvet Trap just came out, so it's all pink. This baby pink wrapping paper is so pretty, I love it. Wait, was there something in that? Oops, there was something in that one. Now that's what I'm talking about when it comes to packaging. Oh hey, looking pretty there, Jeffree. All the new Velvet Trap lipsticks. And then it reminds me how much I spent. Let's not look at that. I got the Deluxe Jeffree Star mystery box in size medium, so I'm going to guess that there is some clothing inside here. So without further ado, let's open it. Oh god, I love mystery boxes so much because of the surprise element, because you could buy whatever you want off this website, obviously, but the surprise. Imagine my surprise. I'm destroying this poor box trying to open it. I also absolutely love the packaging this year for this box. The purple and black, on point. I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! Oh, I love the colors of this! Okay, so looks like there is an exclusive Jeffree Star design because I see the cobwebs on there. Oh, I'm so happy this is orange and black. Yes! Oh, that's so cute! Tie-dye Jeffree Star shirt. Oh, I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. Look at that. Oh, I love the cobweb design. Stop! There's a cobweb big one on the back! That's awesome! Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh, I love how it has different orange colors in the tie-dye. It's not just one color. This is really soft too, dang. If I had known this would be a t-shirt, I would have gotten a small, but I'll make it work. Right, you go over here, darling. You sit down. Next, the next layer is black and purple. Blurple? Stop! What? Holy shit! What? I am speechless. What the heck? Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. Of all the things I was not expecting in this box, this is at the top. I do not have this. I was thinking about buying it, and I didn't, and now I have it? What? That is insane. Okay, Jeffree was not kidding when he said this was going to be luxurious. Oh my gosh. Y'all know I'm a sucker for velvet. This is some really nice velvet. I just want to pet it forever. Wow. Oh, this is so heavy. Gosh, and the golden knob at the front. This is freaking luxurious. Oh. Hey, somebody tore the plastic on my mirror. I'm gonna get on the phone with customer service. This is so freaking pretty. This is amazing. I'm so happy he included this in the boxes. Oh my god. The shade Executioner has purple sparkle? And this vile serpent, that is Slytherin if I ever saw it in an eyeshadow. Wow, I was not expecting this. I'm really happy. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wow. Well, I will treasure this forever. I can see myself in the knob. Oh my goodness, after that, I don't know it. I was just gonna say I don't know how it could get any better, but, excuse me? This is in the shade Lick My Glit. Oh my gosh, I wanted this one. That's so pretty. Okay, so, wait, hold on. My boyfriend was just amazing and incredibly sweet because I had messaged him seeing that the Extreme Frost was back in stock, and I was like, hey, if you want to get me something for Christmas, you know, I sent him the one, I think it was the Gag Me one. I was like, here, if you want to get me something for Christmas, here's an idea. And then he's like, oh, well, what other shades would you like? And I was like, well, it would either be Gag Me or the purple one. My boyfriend got me freaking both of them. So now I have 3 extreme... I have 3 extreme frosts. I am going to be covered head to toe in sparkle and glitter, and my brain is melting right now. I cannot comprehend. This packaging is just over the top luxurious, and this it just looks like a mirror. It is so bright and gorgeous, and you know what? It's going on my face right now. Hold everything. Where's the mirror? You can see that from space! Jeffree, you spoil me. I mean, I'm giving you my money to spoil me, but you spoil me. Wow. That is just everything. It literally matches my hair perfectly. I feel so pretty! I can't believe he included a freaking extreme frost and the palette. Alright, so on to the rest of the box. Ooh! I love this shade for the lip liner. I have Calabasas, which is this really, I can't speak words, which is this really gorgeous dark berry color, if I can get it out of the box. Ooh, oh, that's so pretty. I love that color. I love dark berry shades like that. Stunning. All right, next we have the gloss. Ooh, Candy Drip. That looks like it'll go perfectly with that lip liner. Wait, what? That is not the color I was expecting, but again, it's like he knew. This matches my hair perfectly. Alright, Jeffree, spying on me. But on the box, it looks like a mauve. Or dark berry-ish. I'm not mad, though. Wow, that is so pretty. I want to smell it. I love all of the smells of his products. This is just heavenly. Pink fantasy moment for sure. There's also a lip scrub. This is the strawberry... I'm blind. Strawberry gum? Strawberry drink? Ooh! It's metallic. I want to smell it. Whoa. That is strawberry. Holy crap. Oh, strawberry gum. Yes, I was blind, but that was what it said in the box. I really just want to eat this whole thing. Just that smells so good. Alright, we got 2 more things in the box. Ooh, oh, designer blood! Speaking of colors that I love that I don't own, I don't think I own this. Designer blood. Oh, wow. That is a stunning color. Ooh, it's like orangey brick red. I can't even. It smells like nothing. Yep. That color, though, is stunning. And then, for the pièce de résistance, the exclusive Halloween item besides the shirt. This looks like it is a, oh, it's a lip balm? It says, tinted with a hint of darkness, bring your lips back to life. Lord knows I have been needing a new lip balm. My lips have been very dry. And I love that this is called Widow. Please tell me this is black. Ooh, Black Bullet. Oh, this is so slick. Sorry, I can't wait anymore. What color is it? It is black! Yes! This makes my goth heart so happy. The lipstick, well, lip balm, and the actual tube itself, they look like they're made out of the same material. It looks like metal. I'm so happy this is black. Y'all have no idea. What an incredible box. I am so happy that I freaking got the Bloodlust palette and an Extreme Frost and a black lip balm. I'm just... I can't believe I almost tossed this. Okay, so I couldn't help myself. Along with the mystery box, I also got one of the new Velvet Trap lipsticks. Can you guess what color I got? That's right, I got Pure Hell. I love the pink of this packaging. It's so pretty. Ta-da! This feels even better than I thought it would in person. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love how the Jeffree Star logo is embossed all over this packaging. It also has the salmon flavored, salmon colored logo and lettering as well. I love that color combination, but this component, it has such a nice weighty feel to it. And I thought it was going to be soft matte touch, which can get scuffed really easily, but it's not. It's actually hard plastic, so I can't wait to open this. Oh my gosh, the magnet is so satisfying. Oh my gosh, I love it! Alright. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I probably look cross-eyed because I'm like, Ooh, I like the smell. It almost has like a vanilla, butterscotch, some kind of baked delight smell to it. Oh, so good. So the Velvet Trap is definitely a lot thicker and bigger and heavier than this lip balm bullet shape. I love it. I love them both. They both have a nice heavy wavy feel to them though. So that is it for my Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. And I'm gonna be real with you guys for a second here. I almost didn't upload this video. And the reason is because there is just so much hate and drama going on in the makeup community right now when it comes to Jeffree. I personally don't give a shit. I love his makeup and how extra he is. I love watching his videos and using his products. And I think that if everyone's personal life and past were on the internet for everyone to see publicly, we would all get canceled. Everyone has done stupid shit in their past, including me. I was just lucky that I was young enough where the internet wasn't really a thing and nothing was really documented and Twitter wasn't a thing. I mean, just look at what happened with Jenna Marbles. I just think it's absolutely ridiculous. I hate cancel culture. So seeing that there are people online who are attacking others just for wearing Jeffree Star merch or cosmetics and saying that we are disgusting for supporting him and that we're literally the scum of the earth and that we should kill ourselves just for wearing Jeffree Star makeup. That's the real issue here. And honestly, it scared me, and I was scared to post that I enjoyed wearing his stuff and that I love his makeup because of that. But I just want to enjoy the things that I like, and if someone wants to come at me and say that I'm a piece of shit and that I am a terrible person just because I like a certain makeup line, I think that says a lot more about them than it does about me. So whether you like Jeffree or whether you don't like him, just enjoy what you like. You're not going to please everyone. And if someone tries to tear you down for that, then just block them, delete them. You do not need that kind of toxic negativity in your life. I've actually had a couple of DMs from you guys asking me how I deal with people who say things like that to me because I like Jeffree Star products. And honestly, the easiest way and the one that causes the least mental stress for me is to delete and block them. I don't want people like that in my life or on my channel. And you know what's funny? Well, it's not really funny, but ironic, is that people who are against Jeffree have said the most terrible things to people who support him, way worse than anything he has ever said to anybody else. So it's like they are literally being the thing that they themselves hate. I don't get it. They're literally doing the same thing they're angry at him for. They're being nasty to other people, they're bullying them, they're saying disgusting things. So that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.